DJM TV.
Welcome to DJM TV News, where you get the latest information as the trend. Please, if you are new to this channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel at DJM TV. Click on the notification bell so you keep receiving videos from us as they drop. And if you're on Facebook, like our Facebook page at DJM TV. On Twitter, follow us at DJM TV. Also on our website at www.djmtv.news, where we drop videos 247. I am Lawuru Favor for DJM TV News.
So very critical at this point to mention this. Since the protests have taken place and the issues have been accepted, the time has come for the protests to stop, because government needs to have sufficient time, a clement environment to implement the demands of the protesters. We also need to have our economy to continue to go on. When you try to stop everybody from engaging in their local businesses, closing roads to markets and other economic places, we distract the economy of the country, and that is not the best way to go. If the issues had not been accepted, then there would have been genuine reasons to continue with demonstrations and protests. But since the issues have been accepted, we should give government time to implement the issues. And therefore, I'm taking this opportunity to appeal to our youth who are protesting that the protests have already yielded the desired results. First of all, they say end SARS. That was the beginning. SARS was ended not by the IGP. SARS was ended by the president himself. The president, President Muhammadu Buhari, made a statement, a presidential statement, and that would be the first time that any president will say end SARS. And SARS has ended. The other issues followed. The other issues have been addressed, and that's why we are here. So I believe that the time has come for this protest to come to an end, to allow government to address the issues in a very short time. I also believe that other Nigerians have legitimate rights to go on their lawful businesses without let or hindrance. And we cannot have that when the roads are blocked. So we don't want a situation where there will be a degeneration of law and order because somebody is blocked and he feels he must have his way. So we believe that withdrawing from this process at this moment is the right thing to do. Meanwhile, give us the opportunity to deal with matters that we have, as a government, agreed to handle.
DJM TV.
So disturbed again this morning that our beloved country, Nigeria, is becoming a valley of death. Mr. President, I am more disturbed this morning that day after day, weeks after weeks, month after month, we are talking about the same level and magnitude of insecurity in a country where we are spending so much on security architecture. Mr. President, this is becoming customary. This is becoming ritualistic. It is becoming a pattern. And I cannot understand why day in, day out, we will continue to complain about the same thing. And we have not seen a decisive, purposeful, coordinated, organized approach to curtailing, ameliorating, and palliating these problems. Mr. President, I am not happy because the federal government is talking about the economy. If we revive the economy, for who are we reviving the economy for? For people that are dying or for the dead? Mr. President, we must reprioritize. We must reorganize our priorities. As we speak today in this country, the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, President Muhammadu Buhari, the Vice President, the Senate President, the Speaker of the House of Representatives, and yourself inclusive, and every senator in this chamber had either the Bible or the Quran on his right hand and the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria on the left. And we all swore before men and God to defend that Constitution. And the most potent part of that Constitution states that the security and the welfare of the people shall be the primary purpose of government. Today, Mr. President, there is no security, not to talk of welfare. And you need to be alive to even enjoy welfare. I think we should take these things beyond the rhetorics of presentation on daily basis. We are behaving as if we have kerosene flowing through our veins and not blood. We, most elites in this country, from the president to the least appointed, are protected by police and mobile police and even the army. Who is to protect the common man on the streets? Who is to protect the palm oil tapper in Humuleri? Who is to protect the Baduku in Marafa? Who is to protect the poor farmer in Obomasho? Mr. President, we should outgrow rhetorics and sensational presentations and call a spade a spade. The President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria must show capacity as the Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces. And if we need international support, we should say so on time. If we need international collaboration, we should do so on time. And we should not just be concentrating on creating funds for the army and the other military without looking at the police. Intelligence gathering in this country is dead. Events will happen, there will be signals that they will happen, and they will happen, and there will be no remedy. Mr. President, before the masses begin to chase us, before they begin to destroy our vehicles and our homes, I think it is time we act and make hay while the sun shines. You, the leadership of the Senate, I am advising and suggesting that you move and see the president. Let the president understand the magnitude and intensity of what is happening. We want to see a working security program. We want to see a decisive, pragmatic approach to this problem. We cannot just continue to have sensations on pages of newspaper and we are not seeing actions on ground. People are dying. Thank you, Mr. President.
Senator Marafa.
DJM TV.
Welcome to DJM TV News, where you get the latest information as the trend. Please, if you are new to this channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel at DJM TV. Click on the notification bell so you keep receiving videos from us as they drop. And if you're on Facebook, like our Facebook page at DJM TV. On Twitter, follow us at DJM TV. Also on our website at www.djmtv.news, where we drop videos 247. I am Lawuru Favor for DJM TV News.